expert opinion as well. We are being joined by R.K. Vish, President Emeritus, the Textile Association India and Secretary General of Polyester Textile Apparel Industry, joining us on the show. A very good morning, and firstly, help us with your take on the immediate implications of this move for India's domestic textile industry, especially concerning the supply chains and the pricing. What could be the impact overall?
Good morning. First, you invited me. Thanks for a very good discussion on the Bangladesh government. So India has taken a very good step. It is only a reaction by your respected Prime Minister Modi ji, Piyush Goyal ji, and Giriraj ji, the Textile Minister, that we have reacted. First, the Bangladesh stopped cotton and cotton yarn by the road from India to export to Bangladesh. Now, India has taken a step to stop import of all HS code of garment coming from Bangladesh to India by road. Of course, they can come by the sea, Calcutta port also, Nhava Sheva port also, but road, it cannot be gone. In Bangladesh, around 7,000 to 8,000 crore of worth of garment, mostly woven trousers, knitted t-shirts, men's woven shirts, sweaters, all they are exporting to India. So this is the time when government has taken a very right decision. With this decision, now around 50% what of the material is coming from Bangladesh to India will be stopped. The major advantages will be as follows. One, first advantages will be there that the time lag. Earlier the material was coming in a truck, loaded truck, reached to the Ludhiana, Surat, Tirupur. Now that all the material will first be loaded at the Bangladesh airport, then it will be a transit time will be there, then it will be unloaded at the Indian airport, Indian port, and then will be sent to the destination. And the long time will be there. And another, the cost factor, cost will also increase. This is the main advantage India will get. India has did a very good thing. First, they increased the MIP on the fabric. Now, import of the garment from the Bangladesh. The advantages are one, the Indian industry will get a boost, specifically in garment, and moreover, the job creation will be there. If you say on one garment machine, if we install, then we put 3 to 4 labor on one machine, and in a small unit, medium small unit, there is a 500 garment machine. So 15,000 to 2,000 workers will get a job. Another thing, sometimes these big brands like Zara, Uniqlo, HMN, they used to bring surplus material from Bangladesh on a very cheap price, and then they flooded into Indian market. So our garment were not getting a market in India. So this is the second thing. Third thing, our industry will grow. And another major point is that with the stopping of garment into India, the full upward value chain will grow. We have a surplus capacity in spinning. We have a surplus capacity in fiber, filament, yarn. So that will be consumed. Then whole upstream industry will get the benefit, and with the job creation. Next point, with this decision, the investment will come into India. More garment factory, more spinning, processing will increase in India, and more. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Vij, I completely understand.
Another thing
your
is there.
point.
I'm just also talking regarding. Yeah.
Yeah, no, just want to take a little bit of your previous answer. What you
Yes,
spoke
ma'am.
in terms of your the cost of transporting and transportation going up for Bangladesh. Now, you've spoken about how this could impact India in a good way domestically. But what about India's presence in the global textile market? Do you believe that this could also give a fillip to India over Bangladesh? Is this in any way going to make India look a little bit more favorable to global importers compared to Bangladesh?
Yes, ma'am. Already, when the FTA with UK has been done and the disturbance in Bangladesh, big brands were already looking after India being a very big supplier and very big consumer also. Already over all the industries, garment industry and the downstream industry have the full order, and we even if 5 to 10% global order comes to India, our whole industry will work. And with this,